E buongiorno principessa, come stai?
Io bene, grazie.
Today we shop at the Bon Boutique Trunk.
Di sole,
Oh, di sole è meraviglioso.
meraviglioso.
Sì, e tiramisù and farfalla. Today we have a beautiful array of osteoblossoms from animals that have passed away. Muy spettacolo.
Spettacolo.
The spectacular.
Sì, sì.
Show us, Daniela, what is that you have today? It's possum.
It's possum.
It's possibly the most beautiful possum you have ever seen.
I do
We
believe so.
also, yes, we have a goat from Venice. No Venice, Italy, what? Venice, Florida.
Venice, Florida.
La Florida is a
Bella,
flower.
bella.
This is a ring made of the vertebrae of the Florida Everglades, a Burmese python, the serpent that comes here invasively to hurt our native animals. Ay, che
Serpente come la mia anima.
ya de mierda. It's your size. This ring with a beautiful crystal, because this is not a rhinestone, ma'am. This is a crystal that has been embedded into this ring. This is for you today.
Sì, oggi.
Thank you.
Adesso.
And that's it. We bid you adieu, adieu, adieu. Bye, farewell. Promotional consideration is paid for by the following.